Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's been about 6 months since I've picked up this camera and actually filmed anything. But today is a special occasion because I picked up a new car. And ignore the eye, I popped the blood vessel in my eye, so it's pretty red right here. I know it looks kind of weird on camera. It looks pretty bad in person too, but yeah, just ignore that. But in today's video we're going to be showing you guys the new Terminator I picked up a couple weeks ago. It's actually been probably close to a month since I owned the car. I've done a couple reactions on GoPro, so I'll probably add that to the video. And then today I have Denise here with me. She's gonna actually edit the video and do like a little car edit for the car.
Yeah, the best videographer in town.
Yeah, she's actually the one that recorded and edited the motorcycle video on my channel, the R6.
Yep, I did that.
So if you want to, say your channel.
My channel is yepitsdenise. You'll probably see it in the description, right?
Yeah, I added down in the description. Make sure you go check it out. Kind of explain what your channel is about.
Well, you can see more of my film videos here, but I also do like drawing and art, and yeah, pretty much it.
Well, there you go. And she also makes some really nice edits. If you guys haven't seen, I'm gonna add the video of the R6 here. You can probably go watch it after this. It's a really nice edit, and yeah, she's gonna do this thing exact to the car right here. So see how that, oh my god, that eye.